What's going on YouTube? My name is Rashjeevan Singsal. Uh, Welcome to my first initial video of me essentially introducing a few of my side hustles that I'm working on alongside being a full-time degree apprentice and part-time university student. So far, my journey of coming into trading, I've been doing this uh, in and out for about a year to 2 years. Very first few years, didn't really take it very seriously. But then essentially, I kind of got into, you know, using demo accounts, understanding market structure, technical analysis, and essentially trying to apply uh, indicators, fundamentals into trading essentially. Just to kind of see how the markets are going to move. So essentially, um, I'm gonna showcase and brief my TA for the week on these pairs, which are gold, Euro USD, US dollar JPY, NAS, and Bitcoin. These are the only um, pairs that I'm actually focused on at this moment in time. Um, and We're starting this from the 26th of the 5th, 2024, essentially meaning we're in the second quarter of 2024. And I want to be able to really focus on myself and kind of understand how I can really venture out and become the best version of myself by finding a suitable side hustle that I can really dive deep into and make sure I can become financially successful from it. Other than that, I will be posting a bit more content, not just purely on trading, but also on other ventures that I have looked into within the online way of making money. Um, but for now, I'm going to just give brief market analysis of these currency pairs. Okay, so we're gonna jump into the daily time frame for gold. So at the moment, gold has been essentially quite bearish within the last week, but the overall trend is bullish, as we can see. Um, the Fibonacci retracement tool has been applied from the lower low to the lower high, and we have broken above. And gold was trading initially at all-time highs, but it seems as if gold has calmed down into a low zone. So at the moment, market structure is telling us right here was, I believe, this this purple outline is our daily support. Let's just double check this. I'm currently using the DIY custom indicator just to kind of gauge when to get into positions. So initially, when this position started, we go on the daily time frame. So yeah, the start of this trend was on the 3rd of May. That was the time to get long. But gold has initially rejected the previous all-time high and it's now got down into shorts. So gold at the moment is still looking clear for shorts, I believe. However, due to this little area of interest, we could see um, price coming back into this zone and potentially pushing back up to the upside. So we could see potential push up, or we could see price breaking down, breaking structure, forming lower lows into, you know, zones of this region. Yeah, so far, currently that's how I believe price will move. And so far, I think it's good to say that we've been looking for shorts on gold. Euro USD, I'm currently, so for the daily time frame, the overall trend is bearish. You can see the amount of times where prices kind of reacted in that region and shorted in multiple regions, forming perfect positions and perfect higher highs and then lower lows, higher highs and then lower lows, higher highs and lower lows. I'm currently in a short position on a lower time frame, and essentially this short position is a markup of what's kind of happened previously. So here we are timed into a short, and I believe we could get into this demand level right here, and we could be resisting this supply level, which we've nearly essentially done, and price could jump back down to this level. So far I'm looking quite bearish for Euro USD. I believe we're looking for sells for Euro USD. Okay, so US dollar JAP on the daily. Now with US dollar JAP, we are in an overall uptrend, but price doesn't. It looks like price isn't really lining up for a perfect move at this moment in time. However, I believe if price comes back to this zone, then we could get. So I believe if price comes to let's have a look here. So price comes to this zone, because this is what's triggered the buy. So if price comes back down to this zone, we could then essentially, if price comes back to this zone right here, then we could see a push up and an area of where we could get into a buy position and price continue up in the uptrend. So at the moment we could see even here where price touched and respected the trend line, price has gone up. Price has touched the trend line and price has gone up. And this is quite concurrent, quite consistent here. See it here. And you also see it right here. Every time price has gone up. So we are still waiting for US dollar JAP. Hourly time frame. Yeah. Price just kind of needs to get in our entry zone. Now with BTC USD, prices has been floating in this area. It has been pumping for, I believe last week price was pumping for a little bit, though I think we are in a key zone of breaching all-time highs. We are quite close to reaching all these all-time highs, but I believe price could potentially go back down. Bitcoin is very volatile. We know its history, but once prices kind of been in that zone, then we are seeing high zones of 90k. But for now, it looks like as if prices bouncing between these highs and these lows, and it doesn't really have a clear move essentially. I'm currently not looking for any positions of Bitcoin, but it's just something to keep an eye on in the meantime. And essentially, NAS. Now with NAS we are in an uptrend. However, because we are in an uptrend, I personally believe that the next level we ever go back down to will be that, when it touches and respects this trend line, we can clearly see the multiple times it's done it. It's here, 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 here. So we are expecting potentially bullish move, but this is yet to be confirmed when price essentially touches the overall trend retrospectively. And yeah, that's my essential weekly outlook. We're looking for shorts on gold, shorts on Euro USD, US dollar JAP waiting on price, NAS we're waiting on price, and BTC is 50-50 so far. So yeah, thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed my weekly TA, and hopefully you see how it goes in terms of news. We are looking quite on Friday, I believe this week will be quite a volatile week. A lot of news is being released Friday this week coming, but due to tomorrow being bank holiday, I believe we might have a slow reaction and correlation in the markets due to the bank holiday and other countries essentially trading at their normal levels and prices. But we'll see how the trend goes and how the market plays out. Yeah, that is essentially my TA. Thanks again for listening. I hope you have a great evening, morning, or night. And I'll be looking forward to posting some more content soon. Thank you.